everyone, it's Darla from Crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome! So thank you so much for going shopping with me yesterday at Michael's. That was fun. Okay, so Michael's Canada in Winnipeg, the St. James area. I went there to see what they had for the Caron cakes, to see if they're still marked down or whatever. So I found a few, I bought a few, and I'm going to show you. So this one has different shades of blue, and this one is the Cotton Angel Cakes. These are medium 4, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 250 grams, 530 yards. This is their Summer Favorites collection. Says limited time only. And this colorway is Ice Teal. Ice Teal. So I can see that. I guess the darker yarn, the darker color would be the teal, and then this looks like an ice blue to me. So ice teal. Yeah, that makes sense. They're very beautiful, very beautiful. I got 2 of those. And so that was a Cotton Angel. And then I got a couple of different painterlies, cotton painterly cakes. Did I say these are 60% cotton, 40% acrylic? That was the angel cakes. All right, so the painterly, cotton painterly cakes. Oh, now these are a medium 4, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 227 yards, 481 yards. And this colorway is elderberry tea. Gorgeous colors. Very gorgeous. Yeah, the angel has more yards, 530 yards in the Cotton Angel cake. This painterly has 481. Yeah, so I got 2 of those. Painterly. All right, so the next one I got is also painterly, so same stats and everything, but the colorway is, where is it? Vanilla Wafers. Now, I don't normally buy these colors. I'm getting out of my color comfort zone. Yeah, you want to come with me? You want to come out of your color comfort zone? You're welcome to. Yeah, so this has like yellows and pinkish kind of shades. And then like, to me this looks a little bit creamy, not really white. Oh, look at the heart. It's a heart. So I got 2 of those, and that colorway again was Vanilla Wafers. There is such an incredible, beautiful scent coming off these. Don't know what they did with them. But yeah, so that was the painterly. And then, so those were $7.99. Last time I got some painterly, they were 2 for the price of 1. So they were $7.50, that's Canadian. Now they're $7.99. It's not up by much, but you know, it adds up. But I'm okay with it. So then I had watched some of you wonderful fellow YouTubers out there showing your Caron skinny cakes that you got for $5. So I was on the hunt for those. Couldn't find any. And then, while I was going through a rack of just the Caron cakes, I came across 2 skinny cakes. They were kind of hiding in there. So then I thought, oh, I wonder if they're marked down to $5. Maybe these colors aren't. Well, I scanned them, and yes, look, $5. So I have this one, and I have a different color. I'm going to show you in a second. So Caron skinny cakes are, oh, do this way. These are 100% acrylic, 250 grams, 795 yards, lightweight 3. I love lightweight 3s. And this colorway is butter mints. So there's a yellow in there again, a light yellow. Yeah. So they were $5. And I thought maybe because the label was ripped, I don't know. They were left there, so I had to rescue them. So I got 2, but this is a different color. Look at that. This colorway is plum pudding. Doesn't that look delicious? Plum pudding. See, there's more yellows in this one. So yellowy, goldy yellow maybe. Yeah, so skinny cakes. So guys, I have a Facebook group that's always linked below. And if you would like to join and show off your yarn hauls, we would love to see them. So that is it for this video. And so I'm happy with my yarn. So you guys getting your skinny cakes? You guys getting your painterly and your cotton angel? I should be able to remember that. Cotton angel. Are you guys grabbing them up at your Michaels? I know some of you are. Some of the YouTubers are. How about you guys, you viewers that watch us, that we love so much? Please join my Facebook group and post pictures of your haul, your yarn haul. We love to look at yarn, right? All right, thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.